Ew. I couldn't help but clean up the rear hub and then paint it, just so that when it all goes back, it's looking chipper. Rear wheel back on. Chains adjusted, lubricated. It's looking good, right? I think the plan now is to get it down on the floor, put it on its side stand, and let's look at putting an exhaust on it. Before we go much further, I've lubricated the threads. I thought I'd just go over them. An exhaust. I think it was that one and that one that were holding the original exhaust on. So I've had a look. I found everything but what I want. Okay, well, it's not the end of the world. There are other problems, such as springs, and I have these that I got out of a drawer. That a crap of it. Anyway, too big. 1 centimetre too big. So I'm going to have to order springs. I've got a new gasket, so that's the gasket that's going to go up into the head between the exhaust and the cylinder head. Yeah, springs are going to be like a week away, and then these are tacky. I can't quite remember what these two did. Maybe these were the lock nuts. Anyway, ordering replacement nuts is not going to be the end of the world, is it? And for now, these should work. Grim, aren't they? Maybe that's not one. Where did I get that from? Answers on a postcard. Yeah, they were the domes. And that definitely came off the exhaust. A few leftover parts. And a Grom with an exhaust. That looks a lot better, doesn't it? Looks like a more complete motorcycle. Yeah. I had to go for an exhaust with a cat in it. I couldn't help myself. I care about the environment. Right. That's all my tools away. Should we see what it sounds like? I don't think any motorcycle is going to sound like amazing over its little mics, but all right. Is it going to be all right? I don't know. Ah! I left the baffle in. I'll let the oil circulate a little. Sweet. And to be fair, that's not a bad turnout, is it? I've still got to put its mud guards back on. I want to bleed its brakes. I've cleaned the rear caliper up. That looked actually really good. The piston looked fantastic. Yeah, it's just something else nibbling away at me. Something else. What is it? I'll put the kettle in. There's one more thing it needs.